Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about abandoned cars, trucks, dump trucks, petroleum trucks, heroes, monster trucks, super motorbikes, etc. So now let's check with me. Okay everyone, I start checking. The first one is a broken cement mixer. A ladder truck, this one is a cute petroleum truck. How about this? Green racing car. Cute racing car. This one is my favorite racing car, number 95. A bigger dump truck. A bigger ladder truck. Another cute dump truck. Mini crane. Road roller. This one is a cute road roller. How about this one? Tanker truck. Everybody, this is a tanker truck. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. How about this one? Cute police car. Cute bus. Express bus. Yellow express bus. Cars transporter. Broken airplane. Everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.